Sometimes being a homeowner isn't as perfect as you thought it would be. Problems arise, and sometimes those problems include your furnace. In this video, we'll talk about the most common furnace problems we see and tell you how to fix them. Hi, I'm Brian from Fire and Ice, and when we sit down and talk with customers, it usually is because there is something wrong with their current heating system. After having thousands of these conversations, we've identified 4 that come up time and time again. Here's a list of the most common furnace problems that we see. 1, dirty filters. 2, wear and tear of the system. 3, ignition problems. And 4, thermostat issues. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common furnace problems that could arise and what to do to fix them. So let's start with the first problem we see with furnaces, dirty filters. First, your furnace is going to be less efficient and has to work harder. This causes you to spend more money on utility bills. The furnace isn't going to last as long because of the increased stress on the system. What's the solution? Change your filters. Depending on the filter type that you use, it could be every month to once a year. Please check the filter type to make sure what your filter is rated to do. Now let's move on to the next problem, the wear and tear of the system. The basic parts of the gas furnace are the heat exchanger, the blower motor, could include ductwork and ventilation. These basic parts wear out over time. It is impossible to stop the process, but it is possible to slow it down. The typical wear and tear on a furnace system could include rust and corrosion. This could have an effect on the long-term viability of your furnace system. What's the solution? The best way is an annual cleaning, inspection, and tune-up by a professionally trained HVAC technician. They have the training and experience to spot wear and tear issues before they cause a system to break down. A typical diagnostic call could cost anywhere between $80 and $90. The next problem we see with the furnace are ignition problems. Your furnace either has a pilot light or an electronic igniter to light the fuel of the fire. If there is no ignition, there's no heat. If the pilot light has gone out, you can follow the instructions in your owner's manual to relight it. Take note of the color of the flame on the pilot light. If it is any color other than blue, there is a problem and you should call a technician. So what could these problems be? It could be a crack in a heat exchanger, it could be simply a gas pressure issue. Most new furnaces have electronic igniters, and these can't generally be fixed by the homeowner. It would be wise for you to call a licensed technician to fix that problem. The last furnace problem we typically see involves thermostats. Problem with thermostats can mean the furnace won't turn on or the home won't be heated to the proper temperature. If you think it's a thermostat problem, make sure it's set correctly to heat or cool depending on the season. If the heat doesn't kick on, consult the owner's manual to adjust your thermostat settings accordingly. Some thermostats have batteries that need to be replaced. Besides battery issues and manufacturer settings, thermostat problems generally require the services of an HVAC technician. If you want more information on how to fix your heating problems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to making your day better.